Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how we can fix a toilet running water issue. There are quite a few reasons which can cause your toilet constantly running water, and one of the most common issue is leaking flapper. Here in this video we'll learn how we can replace a leaking flapper by following few simple steps. So before we start the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for more such DIY videos. Let's start. First thing first, shut off the water supply. Then flush the water from the tank. Remove the lid and keep it at a safe place. Then disconnect the lift chain from the flapper lever. Our next step is pull the flapper from each side. Here you go. This is the flapper we're gonna replace. Let's clean it a bit. This is my new flapper I'm going to use. Line up the new flapper valve, hook it each side carefully and position it right over the drain. Connect the lift chain with the flapper lever again and check it out if it's functioning correctly. It's time to start the water supply and let the tank refill. Flush the water few times and make sure it's flushing properly. Put the lid back and that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.